Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing Apache web client web services onto our Linux web server so that we can build websites and view websites. Excellent. So as always, what we're going to do first of all is we're just going to run the DNF update. You might need to use the sudo in front of it, so that's what I'll do, even though I am root. And as you can see, there is some updates we need to install, so we're just going to quickly install them. Blah 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 blah. Yep, there we go. Right, cool. So that's that done. Now we can install Apache. So again, sudo dnf install httpd space httpd dash tools, and just type yes because we want all of them. And hurrah, it's all installed. Now what we need to do is start Apache. So I'm just going to do a sudo systemctl. Actually, what I'll do is I'll clear the screen so we're at the top of it. There we go. Sudo systemctl start httpd, and then that now means that the service has started. Now I want the service to start every time I reload the server, or if I switch it off at all. So I'm just going to change start to enable and then hit enter, and now that is set to start up when the server restarts. And if I just do a sudo systemctl status httpd, we can see that the service is running, it's enabled, and it is all working fine. You may get a request an error message like I've got here, basically saying that it could not reliably determine the server's fully qualified domain name. That's not a problem at all. It's just the way it is, because I don't have an FQDN attached to it, so it makes sense. So I'm just going to clear the screen again, and what we're going to do now is update the firewall rules, because there's no point having a web server that can't actually access anything. So I'm just going to do sudo firewall -cmd and then -- permanent, because it is a permanent change, and then it is in the public zone, so a zone equals public, and then -- add service equals http, which enables port 80. So it's pretty much like adding TCP/80. And if you want HTTPS, we just do the exact same command again, but we just put the S at the end of HTTP, which allows us to use secure encrypted connections. Now what we need to do is type in sudo firewall -cmd space reload, and what this does is it resets the firewall with the new configuration that we have just inputted. So now, all being well, what we should be able to do is type in the IP address of the virtual machine in my case, and we should now successfully see the Alma Linux test page, which means that the Apache web server has been installed successfully and it is now working. And as you can see, we use the HTTP protocol. Can't use the HTTPS because I don't have a server certificate installed, so we're only using HTTP at this moment in time. But this test page basically means that the server has been installed and it is all working properly, like the message at the top of the screen there. Folks, thanks for watching, and if you have found this video useful, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you get updates when I get round to creating them. Thanks for watching once again, and I will see you all in the next one. Cheers for watching now. Bye bye.